All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Max with Wacky Engineering, and we're going to do a quick review over this Flame King on clearing some snow. We've done a review over this product during the summertime, but we wanted to do a quick one on removing snow, so we'll go over a couple steps on how to use it, and then we'll move on to the review. If you're interested in buying one of these, we'll have a link in the description, or maybe you want to get one of these sweet hats, we'll have a link for one of those in the description as well. Let's see how to use this thing. Make sure you guys read all the safety information that's going to come with this and follow it, because, you know, safety first. This thread's on the inside, and it is left-hand thread to tighten it and right-hand thread to loosen it. So just tighten it all the way up till it stops. Crank your valve all the way to the left open. Turn this on to the plus. You can actually hear it hissing propane. Hit the igniter. Pull the trigger. Pretty easy. So, let's see how it works as far as removing snow. Can you feel the heat? If you do use this, after you melt all the snow, I would throw some salt out or you're going to form some ice. So. All right, guys, there you have it. This is about 5 minutes worth. You can see it's going to take a long time. If you're able-bodied, you don't have any back pain, you can handle a shovel, I'd probably recommend a shovel. But the good thing about using this, if you do decide to go this route, is it does keep you warm. I mean, this thing's putting off a lot of heat, so at least you're not out here in the cold. It's like 15 degrees out right now, and I don't feel cold at all. I'm not wearing any of our Wacky Engineering swag right now, but make sure you go to our store and check it out. That's all we got for today. See you next time.